If you want to connect your Realme 14T to a car, then we can use Android Auto. In order to do that, first we need to open Settings, then go to Connection and Sharing, and over here we have Android Auto. In my case, I have to update it, so let me quickly update, and let's open again. There we go. Now we can press Connect a Vehicle. We will find the instruction that tells us that we need to connect the phone with the USB cable. If your car supports wireless Android Auto, then of course we can choose this option over here, Connect Wireless Android Auto, or by using Wireless Android Auto. And we have additional instructions that we can follow in order to connect our phone to a car. If needed, we can also connect by using Bluetooth, so we can choose this option, and then press Pair a Vehicle. You will open Bluetooth settings, and you should be able to detect your car over here in the list of available devices. If needed, over here on the right side, after a short while, you should have an option to refresh the list. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.